1, 2, okay, okay. Okay, so sorry.
Sorry.
Okay,
1, 2.
Paano nagkakilala? I think first day yun ng college. Merong assignment nun or parang may pa-bring home na I remember it was a small brown envelope, portfolio envelope.
Ang assignment is magdala ng small brown envelope.
Yes, so small brown envelope. And tinamad ako. Uso pa nun yung YM.
Yahoo Messenger.
And so, first day ng school kasi nun,
parang gumagawa ng directory.
Yes.
Class directory. Na Yahoo Messenger. So, wala pang Facebook, wala pang Friendster.
And I think, in-add ko siya noon kasi may copy rin ako ng directory. And nagtanong na lang ako, meron ka bang extrang portfolio envelope? And I think yun yung kinabukasan noon, yun yung unang interaction namin. And tumingin siya sa akin, lumingon siya sa akin nung kinalabit ko siyang ganun. I think masungit pa siya sa akin noon kasi I don't think presentable ako noong time na yun sa point of view niya. So,
hindi naman, pero di lang talaga ako interested sa mga boys noon.
Yung time na yun.
Yun nga, parang hindi pa friends talaga. Yun lang yung first interaction as classmates.
As classmates, yes.
Ira naman, nakilala ko siya kasi part siya ng group of friends ni Ichi in college. And I knew from the start na may special attention na binibigay si Ichi kay Ira. Although hindi man niya aminin at that time, I know special si Ira.
Naging close kasi si Ira and Ichi nung nasa school pa, so best friends sila talaga.
Best friend lang daw po, pero may nasa-sense sa kami ni Tinika na baka naman gusto talaga ni Kuya Ichi si Ira.
Well, years passed, di naman nag-progress yung so-called best friendship nila. Ang tawag ni Ichi kay Ira is best friend, pero I really feel there's more to that than just a best friend.
My 2 other older sisters would say na best friend daw yung sinasabi ni Kuya Ichi noon. Best friend lang daw yung Ira Ambrosio.
Crush na ni Ichi, si Ira. And Ira had no idea until, later on in life.
So, yung unang na-fall daw sa amin ay?
Ako. Oh. Yes, ako. Kasi nung college talagang si Ira, she really caught my eye. And I think crush ko na siya noon pa lang. I know the way
home. Then, may isang gabi na nagkaayaan kami na mag-night out.
Lumabas kami, surrounded kami ng friends. Tapos, nakagitna ako sa 2 guy friends namin. Siya yung isa, tapos yung isa, isang friend pa namin.
Then, sabi ko kay Ira, niloko ko siya. Medyo nakainom na rin kasi. Sabi ko, oh my God, naman ito si Ira. Haba ng hair. Magkabila ang dulo.
So, parang at that time, umiikot na sa utak ko yon na
nagusto mo na pala ako.
Hindi, nagusto mo ako talaga. So,
pero yun, medyo nadulag sa dila ako. Medyo madaldal. Me and my big mouth. Pero, sorry, not sorry.
Kalauna, naging best friend ko siya. Hanggang may time na after college, mas naging close kami. Ang nangyari, hindi na namin alam na walang naging ligawan na nangyari. Mostly, napapadalas yung hangouts.
Bigla na lang naging kami, parang gano'n.
Feeling ko lagi silang magkasama and they're spending more time at a coffee shop in Glorieta. And one day, umuwi lang si Ichi, sabi niya sa akin, Tinika, may sasabihin ako sa'yo, hulaan mo. And then at that time, kahit wala pa siyang ibang sinasabi, alam ko na, kayo na ni Ira.
Talaga namang deserve nila yung isa't isa. Siguro nagko-complement yung pagiging funny ni Richie, tapos yung pagiging banayad niya. Tapos si Ira naman, yung loud, yung amount of care nila, parang pantay.
Over time, we saw them grow together, and we see that they really love each other, and we just know that they're meant for each other.
I know they're really a great match. Yeah, I'm just so happy that that friendship blossomed into more than just a friendship. It became more romantic.
I really treasure kung paano kami nag-grow together.
Nanood kami ng concert ng Coldplay sa Singapore na kasi talaga pinilahan namin ng 10 a.m. yata hanggang 7 or 8 p.m. yata yung start ng concert. Tapos talagang sobrang magical lang nung experience. Tapos kasama ko pa siya. Yung mga dates namin talagang usually consisted of eating.
Eating and lots of driving. Ako, gusto ko kasi yung nagda-drive sa expressway. So, mapa north, mapa south. Sa akin personally, marami akong natutunan kay Ira kasi I'm only interested in what I know in my own circle. Pero nung nakilala ko si Ira, na natutunan ko ma-appreciate yung mag-travel, lumabas.
Happy to welcome you in the family, and I hope you're also happy to be officially part of us now. Congratulations on your wedding, Kuya Itzy and Ate Ira.
We've seen you grow throughout the years. There's so much more that life has to offer you both. More travels, more adventures, more happiness and love.
And always love each other, trust each other.
And pray to God for guidance. Congratulations again.
Congrats ulit, congrats. Excited kami sa wedding nyo. And syempre forever na to. And kasama nyo kami sa forever ng mga friends nyo.
Best wishes sa inyo.
And enjoy your married life.
We love you.
Love you.
What did you say to Tito? Sini? How about Auntie?
Ira and Richie, I'm very excited sa next chapter ng buhay nyo. I can't wait to see yung mga dreams na ma-fulfill nyo together.
Ira and Chi, congratulations. I'm very, very happy for you. I'm so excited for you to start your new life as husband and wife. It has been a pleasure seeing you both grow individually, together as friends, to lovers, and now to being married.
Pagpatuloy nyo lang, maging magkaibigan. I got your back, you got my back. Ganon. Tapos, put God to the core of your marriage. At always piliin ang isa't isa. Kahit sa anumang pagsubok na pagdadaanan nyo as married couple.
Sana, how we are now, hindi magbago pag nagkaanak na or kung anumang mag-challenges na dumating in the future. Kasi parang feeling ko nga, how we are now, even after we get married, will stay the same. Kasi feeling ko talagang ganun na, close to each other na.
I just promise na palagi kitang aalagaan, hindi kita papabayaan. And,
lagi mong pagdadrive.
Lagi kitang pagdadrive, lagi kitang susunduin kahit gano'n pa ka-late yung mga bar gigs na gusto mong puntahan. Magtutulungan tayo, sasamahan kita, sasamahan mo ko.
Mag-reserve ka ng sabaws ha. Huwag mo mabusin lahat.
Tandaan mo na hindi ako magbabago para sa'yo. Or kung magbabago man ako, it's for the better. And ayun, I love you.
I love you too. Sige.